In the last lecture, we discussed the canonical form of elliptic equations. In this lecture, we will discuss a problem on canonical form of elliptic equations. Consider the trichomy equation uxx plus x into uyy equals 0 for x greater than 0. Find a canonical transformation q equal to q of xy, r equal to r of xy, and the corresponding canonical form. That means we have to convert this trichomy equation when x is greater than 0 to its canonical form. Okay, so the solution is we have the trichomy equation uxx plus uyy equal to 0 where x is greater than 0. So from this we have the coefficients a equal to 1, 2b equal to 0 and c equal to x. So here from this we have b equal to 0. So therefore b square minus ac is nothing but 0 minus 1 into x, which is minus x. So since x is greater than 0, minus x is less than 0. Therefore given differential equation 1 is elliptic. Okay. Now from the previous lecture we have the characteristics are given by the solution of the differential equation dy by dx is equal to b plus or minus I into square root of ac minus b divided by a, because b square minus ac is greater than less than 0, so ac minus b is greater than 0. Okay, so this is equal to b0 plus or minus I into square root of ac minus b is plus x divided by a is 1. So we have the differential equation dy by dx is equal to plus or minus I root x. Okay, so in the case of elliptic differential equation, we need only one differential equation here. So from this, if you are taking the first differential equation, dy by dx is equal to I square root of x. Okay, that implies dy is equal to I into x power 1 by 2 dx. So on integration we get y is equal to I into x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 plus a constant of integration c1. So multiplying throughout by 3 by 2 we get 3 by 2 into y minus I into x power 3 by 2 is equal to some 3 by 2 into c1, which can be taken as c. Okay, so we can choose our canonical variables as, so we have this is phi equal to c. So we can choose the first variable as 3 by 2 y, that is the real part of this phi, and the second variable as the imaginary part. So we can choose the canonical variable as q of xy. In this problem we need to find q and r. So q of xy is equal to the real part of this, that is 3 by 2 into y, and r of xy is the imaginary part of this phi, which is minus 3 by 2, sorry, minus x power 3 by 2. Okay, so differentiating we get qx is equal to 0, qy is equal to 3 by 2, rx is equal to minus 3 by 2 into x power 3 by 2 minus 1, which is 1 by 2, ry equal to 0. So setting the transformation w of qr is equal to u of xy. So we need to find uh, the partial derivatives uxx and uyy uh, to substitute here in the first given differential equation. Okay, so we have to convert this into as a function of q and r. Okay, so uxx is, so from this we can write ux is equal to wq into qx plus wr into rx, so which is equal to wq into qx is 0, so 0 plus rx is minus 3 by 2, so here is minus 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2 into wr, so this is minus 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2 wr. Now uy is nothing but wq into uh, qy plus wr into ry. So this implies qy is 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into wq plus ry is 0. So this is uy. Now we have to find uxx and uyy. For that uxx is nothing but dou by dou x of ux. Ux is this. So minus 3 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 into wr. So this is equal to minus 3 by 2 into wr into derivative of x power minus 1 by 2, x power 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 minus 1, which is x power 1 by 2, x power minus 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 into derivative of wr, that is wrq into qx plus wrr into rx. Okay, so this is equal to minus 3 by 2 wr minus 3 by 4, from this minus 3 by 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 wr, and from this we get minus 3 by 2 x power 1 by 2 into qx is 0, so first term is 0 here, plus rx is minus 3 by 2 into x power 1 by 2 into wrr. Okay, so this can be written as minus 3 by 4 x power minus 1 by 2 into wr plus 9 by 4 x power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is x into wr. So this is uxx. Now we have to find uyy. Uyy is equal to dou by dou y of uy. Uy is this 3 by 2 into wq. So this is nothing but taking 3 by 2 outside, derivative of wq with respect to y, this is wqq into qy plus wq r into ry, but we have ry is 0, so this second term is 0, and this will be 3 by 2 into qy was 3 by 2, so 3 by 2 into wqq plus ry is 0, so this is equal to 9 by 4 into wqq. Okay, so this is ryy. So replacing these partial derivatives in the given differential equation, 1 implies was 1 uxx plus x into uyy equal to 0. This implies when we dividing throughout by x, we get 1 by x into uxx plus uyy equal to 0. So this is for this, we have uxx equal to this, so from this we get 1 by x into uxx is nothing but, so we have to divide throughout here by x, so minus 3 by 4 into x power minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 2 into wr plus 9 by 4 into wr. So 1 by x into uxx is this, so replacing that we get uh, this is minus 3 by 4 x power minus 3 by 2 into wr plus 9 by 4 9 by 4 into WRR plus the UYY is 9 by 4 into WQQ equal to 0. Okay. So now we have to replace our x power minus 3 by 2. But we know that x power 3 by 2 is r. We have q equal to 3 by 2 into y and r is equal to minus x power 3 by 2. So here is therefore 1 by r is equal to minus 1 by x power or minus x power minus 3 by 2. Minus x power minus 3 by 2. So we can replace this minus x power minus 3 by 2 by 1 by r. So this can be expressed as 3 by 4 WR or 3 by 4 into r into WR plus 9 by 4 into WRR plus WQQ equal to 0. Thus we have eliminated this x also. So it is only a function of Q and R. Okay. So this will be the required canonical form, and the canonical transformation or canonical variables are given by Q equal to 3 by 2y and R equal to minus x power 3 by 2. Okay.